So guys, our pepper soup yebeh is ready. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If this is your first time to come across my videos, you are all welcome. I'm Frances for Y, a Sierra Leonean YouTuber and a Facebook page owner. Yes, I don't know how to put it. So guys, you're all welcome, and thank you to my returning followers and returning subscribers. I love and appreciate you. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and follow and subscribe. In today's video, we are coming to cook yebeh. Yes, yebeh pepper soup. I was so hungry this night, so I said let me come and prepare. So this is Irish potato. These potatoes belongs to Baby Divine, but I was hungry. I said let me make use of them. Yes, this night. So Precious is picking the pepper to beat it up. Yes. So I was so hungry. Guys, stay tuned. I have just few ingredients. Here is my fish. Yes, this is called bonga fish. This fish is so sweet. It's so sweet. So here's my water inside the pot and on top of the fire, and I was preparing everything. So guys, stay tuned. We are going to cook this yebeh together. Please don't mind me. All right, God bless you. Stay tuned. No, what's happening? Go connect first. You see the my left and back car. I'm not going to block me for my camera. Kadi, you know, go on that kill. We go down Saturn. You're going to give me a chance to sleep, so let's sleep. Maybe this needs. Video the fish. I'm now beating up my pepper and onion together. Honey, you know that tomatoes there, give me? Huh? Tomatoes not inside you? Ah. Tomatoes today? Oh, I use potato. Oh, go give me together a party like.
This woman where are you getting an idea?
It is.
That means it's faster. That means it's good.
I don't see you. But I didn't get woman.
Pastor, that means it's look me now.
Every day as you talk no more.
Make balance. You need to see me. Pastor, look me now.
Hey, you don't go shake your hour. You don't go put me video. Hey, me I don't get tomatoes. Pastor want me yebeh. Hey. I don't know if I'm married. So guys, our pepper soup yebeh is ready. This is for my uncle. I put a lot of water because we are plenty in this house. They are inside though. They are coming. Gigi's no. We just can't go give pastor. Precious, what do you recall? Wait, they can call black hour.